Welcome back, fellas, to this new tutorial for TechExpress. Today, let's talk a little bit more about the DPI of my mouse into my Windows PC. So basically, if your cursor feels floaty or way too fast, you probably need to know your DPI, right? So most people confuse the DPI with sensibility. Now, DPI stands for how many dots your hardware sees. Sensibility is just how much Windows stretches those dots. So let's see three ways that you can find your DPI. The first method is the manufacturer software, which usually, for example, you can open the Razer setups. If you have a gaming mouse, you download your manufacturer software. For example, I can open a new tab. I can look out for Logi Tech G Hub or the Steel series. So you can see that here we have the actual software of the mouse that you actually make the purchase. If you don't know which is the actual mouse, sometimes you are like me when you make an actual purchase directly here from Amazon and you just look out for a product that says mouse. You select one product and you just make the actual purchase, but you don't know what is the actual cost or what is the actual manufacturer of this specific mouse. So you want to do is try to find the one that you actually make the purchase. And here, let's say for example, this one comes from Logitech, so you can go for Logitech G Hub, and you make the actual downloadable element, and there you can actually make the appearance of that DPI. Alright, so the second method, just in case you don't find the manufacturer software, is the online analyzer. There's no software. So there's an actual official analyzer with no software we have to use. For example, you need to turn off the enhanced pointer precision in your Windows settings. Or this, for example, just won't work. So for example, if I go for search, I'm going to go for mouse. And here's the mouse settings. And here it says enhance pointer precision. I needed to disable this element in order to make this actual process focused on. Now, what I need to do is to open once again a new tab. Directly inside here, I'm going to type the mouse sensibility.com analyzer. Here it is. Now, I'm going to focus with this same aim, different game. This one is the actual element that I'm actually looking for. Once I am directly inside here, what you want to do is to look out for the tools and look out for the element that says DPI Analyzer. When you click directly inside here, you have the DPI Analyzer. Tell the side you're going to move your mouse exactly 1 inch. And click and hold the red cursor, then move your physical mouse 1 inch to right using the your actual ruler. As you can see, here's the configured DPI. Here I'm going to focus for inches, and let's say for example I'm going to focus for only one distance to the right. There we go. So I have here my DPI, and here's the true mouse analyzer, and I go for DPI 1, target counts, ready. And here is the actual, here's the deviation, here's the actual counts, here's the target counts, and you can just change that later if you wanted to. The third method, if you're lazy, just flip your mouse over and find the model number. So if you flip this, most Southern Office mice are locked to 800 or 1000. You can just do that if you wanted to. And basically what you can do now is that almost certainly your number is there, because 800 is the magical number, because if you move to a 4K monitor, mouse will feel twice as slow. So knowing your number helps you stay consistent across different screen and devices. And if this helps you aim, basically what you need to do is to go back and here for the element that says save. In my case, I'm gonna make the enhanced point precision like this because it's much more easier for me to leave this like that. There we go. And it actually works really truly great for me. So you have any question, guys, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, and hopefully we can all see you all next time.